In Georgia's sandy soil, the peanut harvest starts with a careful lift, separating the crop without bruising what comes next.
Before a single peanut reaches the plant, the field dries pods just enough to protect flavor and prevent mold.
Harvest is controlled separation. Lift, shake, and clean enough to move without losing a pound to the ground.
Now the peanuts are free and the clock starts ticking toward the factory.
The harvest is done, but the product isn't safe until it's sealed and moving. Every mile is a risk: heat, humidity, vibration, and the tiniest opening that invites contamination.
Before peanuts touch a machine, the plant verifies weight, seals, and paperwork. Because traceability.
You're stepping into a system built to move food safely, fast, and the same way every time.
Receiving is controlled chaos. Big vehicles, tight spaces, and strict safety zones to protect people and product.
The first seconds are containment. Capture dust, control flow, and move peanuts without shock or crushing.
The line doesn't start with flavor, it starts with control. Pre-cleaning removes what the field brings: stems, grit, and anything that doesn't belong. You're not just cleaning.
Elevators stabilize pace, feeding storage and production like a metronome for the facility.
Up here, the peanut examiner with our interns.
Segregation keeps each lot traceable. Quality and testing always tie back to the right load. Feed rate is everything. Too fast damages peanuts, too slow starves the factory. This is the handoff into serious cleaning, where precision starts to show.
Here, food safety becomes visible. Machines built to remove anything that isn't a peanut. The factory.
You're watching raw agriculture become controlled food.
Air removes what screens can't, without touching the peanut more than necessary.
Clean doesn't mean shiny, it means controlled. Next, the system gets picky, because consistency drives profit.
Stability comes first. Surgeons blind machines and let mistakes slip through.
In a modern peanut plant, even feed rate is a quality decision.
Here, weight tells the truth, rock out, peanuts on.
Screens remove what air can't. Gentle tumbling protects peanut integrity. Every machine is a filter, tightening the definition of acceptable.
Before heat, the plant strips dust that could burn, stain, or contaminate.
Clean peanuts roast better. Nothing unwanted gets a chance to cook.
Metal detection is proven constantly. Safety systems matter only when verified. It's not paranoia, it's process.
Sorting needs visibility. Machines can't reject defects they can't see.
Technology starts making decisions at conveyor speed.
Cameras judge faster than humans. Color, shape, surface defects in real time. The line isn't just cleaning, it's choosing.
Size controls heat. Uniform peanuts roast evenly and reduce waste.
Consistency here is money later.
Blending sizes matches roasting curves and customer specs. This is manufacturing, designing the peanut before heat.
One last look before heat. Small defects become big problems once processing begins. More heat, more airflow, tighter timing. Now you shape flavor, not just remove dirt. You're crossing from cleaning into transformation. Timed heat and airflow must be perfect to protect taste and safety. Now the factory starts cooking, with zero room for guesswork. Roasting is movement plus heat. Tumbling prevents scorching and builds flavor evenly. You're watching chemistry happen, one rotation at a time.
Flavor is timing, and cooling is the brake pedal.
Cooling locks color and aroma, so the result is repeatable. The factory doesn't trust good enough, it trusts measurements.
Blanching prepares clean finish, softens skins so removal is efficient and consistent. Remove skins, keep the kernel whole.
Air separation lifts away what you don't want without touching what you do.
Cleaner now, ready for final flavor curve. Finishing roast hits a precise color, aroma, and moisture that defines the final product.
This is where peanut becomes brand.
Stabilization matters. Uneven moisture or heat makes downstream machines struggle. The factory smooths extremes before the next step. One ingredient becomes many products depending on where the line sends it. Same peanut, different destiny.
Now form changes. Kernels become paste without burning natural oils.
Next, you'll see transformation you can measure: texture, heat, and flow.
Grinding is controlled force. Heat is watched as closely as texture. You're not just crushing peanuts, you're protecting flavor chemistry.
Homogenization makes texture predictable. Every jar tastes the same. Consistency isn't a slogan, it's mechanical.
Refining is where gritty becomes smooth. Particle size controls mouthfeel.
Texture is engineered down to the micron. Peanut butter is simple, but not casual. Tiny recipe changes affect flavor and shelf life. This is where the factory locks in taste.
Mixing ends when time, temperature, and flow align to the standard. The batch is ready, and it has to be made stable.
Air drives oxidation and foam. Deaeration protects flavor and fill accuracy.
Smooth isn't just texture, it's what you can't see. Too cold and filling fails. Too hot and oils separate. Temperature is stability. The factory tunes peanut butter like a precision fluid. The closer you get to the jar, the less you can afford surprises.
The surge tank bridges batch to continuous, steady pressure for accurate fills.
Next, the factory turns on its fastest brain, automation.
When the line goes green, everything moves like one machine.
If jars arrive wrong, tilted, or doubled, the whole fill system loses accuracy. Sensors measure position and speed so each jar lands under the nozzle within millimeters. Click, stop, fill. Precision you can hear.
Bottom-up filling reduces splatter and air pockets. Clean fills mean safer seals and fewer rejects. The factory fills with control, not speed alone.
Every jar is verified. Automation catches underfills instantly to protect customers and prevent recalls. You don't ship almost right.
Cork must be tight enough to seal. Not so tight it warps lids or threads.
This is how closed becomes secure. Cameras verify at speed, reducing human error on the highest risk points. Automation enforces judgment.
Registration, tension, timing, labeling is high-speed craft.
Next comes finishing discipline. Details decide pass or fail.
Traceability is only real if it's readable.
Smart factories keep a human checkpoint. Fast correction without slowing the line. Buffers protect downstream packers from surges and gaps. Flow engineering keeps speed without losing control.
Settling improves appearance and reduces trapped air. Every jar looks identical on the shelf.
Customers see the finish, not the machines. Tamper bans build trust, but perfect placement prevents downtime. Finishing is where tiny mistakes cause big stops. Controlled heat, enough to shrink, not enough to distort. Heat is applied like a scalpel, not a hammer.
Wrinkles and loose bands hurt if the product is perfect, even if the final seal.
Fold, seal, move. Case forming keeps rhythm so nothing backs up behind it. Packaging is its own production line.
Finished product can still be damaged. Loading must be fast and gentle. Speed with respect.
Identity is sealed in. Labels and lot codes connect every case to production data. Next, the factory proves it, testing what it made.
The lab verifies safety and consistency tied to lot numbers before shipping.
If you can't prove sample origin, you can't trust results. Traceability starts here.
Moisture and water activity predict shelf life. Too high invites microbes, too low harms texture.
This is how you measure time before it passes.
Water activity confirms the product environment resist microbial growth. Safety isn't a feeling, it's a number. The smallest defect can become the biggest headline.
Routine microtesting confirms sanitation controls are working day after day.
The lab hunts problems early, before customers ever could.
Peanut oils can oxidize. Testing protects freshness long before a jar is opened. Freshness is engineered, then verified.
Texture is what customers feel first. Lab confirms the same spread every lot.
This is how quality becomes repeatable.
Shipping only happens after verification. Release links data to pallets, trucks, and trust. The product earned its way out.
Now it's movement. Clean, labeled, and ready to ship.
Dispatch starts with identity. Lot labels must match release forms for full traceability.
Paperwork and pallets move together.
Staging routes products so loading stays fast, accurate, and accountable. The warehouse is a traffic system built to prevent mistakes.
A perfect product can be ruined by a dirty trailer, so every container gets checked.
The last risk is outside the factory, so you verify it now.
Loading is controlled placement. weight distribution, and protection so cases arrive intact. Shipping is still part of quality.
Secure loads protect the product and brand. Counts are verified before doors close. Accuracy is the final safeguard. The seal is final proof. Once applied, shipment stays protected until delivery. And this is how modern factories produce peanuts. From harvest to roasted, blended, tested, and shipped, start to finish.